So in this video, I'm going to show you how to use the Amazon Marketplace emulator effectively. So in order to activate it, you need to have the field activator audio playing in loop, or you need to have the field activator mandala with you close to your body. And then you can give these commands. First command is activate field manager. Then you have to say activate field optimizer. And then you say activate Amazon Marketplace emulator. You can say that loudly, or you can also say that in your mind. Now, there are few ways you can use the supplements or activate the supplements. First is supplements on Amazon, then the supplements which are outside Amazon. You can also activate herbs, medicines, hormones, or anything. You just have to do enough research so that you won't have to face any side effects. So first, let's start with the supplements on Amazon. So first is activate Jigsaw Health Magnesium SRT B free. So let's check the name here. Now this is the supplement I'm talking about. Now when you activate, what you have to say is first you have to check the company here. You have to sometimes it is not there in the name, so you have to say that activate Jigsaw Health. The name of the uh, supplement is mag SRT B free. So you have to say that activate Jigsaw Health mag SRT B free, and then you have to check the serving size here. Now you don't have to take four or activate four tablets or maybe three tablets. uh, Especially when you're starting out, you can just activate one or two of the tablets, and you just say that activate Jigsaw Health mag SRT B free, size serving size of two tablets. And then you can also say things like eliminate other ingredients. For example, you may not need things like uh, the macrovax or methyl cellulose or microcrystalline cellulose, uh, which is not good for the body. So you can just say that activate Jigsaw Health mag SRT B free, serving size of two tablets, eliminate other ingredients. Now I will show you how to do that for other supplements. So let's say I'm taking this supplement, Jaro Formulas Brocomax. So this is a supplement I'm talking about. Now, here the name of the company is there, name of the uh, product is there. So you can just say that activate Jaro Formulas Brocomax. You don't need to don't need to say 35 mg and all these things. You just have to say that activate Jaro Formulas Brocomax, and then you have to directly come to the backside of the supplement, which talks about the dose. You can say that activate Jaro formulas Brocomax dose of one capsule or two capsules, and then say that eliminate other ingredients. Now, uh, this is how you should be activating the supplements on Amazon. I just gave the example of different supplement, including cinnamon, glutathione, silica, megaspore biotic. Now you can uh, also activate this supplement, which is a natural supplement for uh, hypothyroid problem. So let's understand how to activate that. So this is the supplement I'm talking about. So here the name of the company is Earthier. The name of the supplement is Organic Selenium, and the dose is one capsule. And the other ingredient is vegetarian plant capsule. Now you can activate it by saying activate organic selenium, activate Earthier or organic selenium, serving size of one capsule, eliminate other ingredients. Now this is how you should be going with any other supplement which is also not on Amazon. For example, let's say you want to activate do not age.org supplement, which also sells some high quality supplements. Now when you actually buy the supplements which are not on Amazon, you just need to check the reviews on their website, third party reviews on YouTube, on Reddit, before you activate the supplements, because you don't know if the reviews on the website are truly genuine or not. Now when you have to activate this supplement, you don't have to give any special command. You just have to say that activate do not age.org pure NMN supplement, and you can say the dose of one capsule or two capsules. So this is how the command would look like: activate do not h.org pure NMN dose of 2 capsules. Now this website has many supplements, anywhere from TMG, pure berberine, pure resveratrol, and cert 6 activator. So you can activate any of the supplements. You just need to specify the dose based on your research. Now I will also show you how you can activate this supplement. It's also outside Amazon. Now this is human growth hormone supplement made from made naturally with these ingredients: velvet antler extract, tribulus extract, organic aloe vera, shilajit, lithium berries. So you can just say that activate bioprotein take biopro plus, serving size of 1 vial. Activate bioprotein technology biopro plus, dose of 1 vial. Now it is okay that you may not say entire thing like bioprotein technology or whatever else. You can just say that biopro, uh, bioprotein tech, or bioprotein technology biopro plus, and specify the dose. Now again, you have to make sure that the supplement is of good quality. You have to check the reviews on Instagram, YouTube, Reddit, third party reviews on blogs and different avenues, and then only you have to activate these supplements. Now now you have learned how to activate any supplement. You can also activate different medicines, different herbs which are not sold or are not officially sold, but you have to know the side effects of that drug or medicine or that herb. Otherwise you will run into a lot of problems. So please make sure that you know about all the side effects, good effects of the drug, the dosage and everything before you activate any of the supplements, any of the medicines, any of the herbs, any of the whatever else you want to activate. Now there is another feature that you can activate. You don't need to say this. So this feature is already embedded in field optimizer. It is called selective effect extractor. Now if you have to activate the supplement which is called Nutopia brand, so you can check their supplement here. Now they have a lot of supplements: Power Solution, Upbit, Apex, Ultimate Focus, Nectar X, Brain Flow, Mental Reboot PM, Zamner Juice. So let's say if you only want to extract a certain effect from a group of supplement, you can say things like activate Nutopia Power Solution, Nutopia Upbit, Nutopia Apex, Nutopia Ultimate Focus, Nutopia Nectar X, and you read all the names and then say that only effects and ingredients of this supplement which can help me with all day energy without jitters and crashes, a maximum mental clarity and concentration, elevated mood, and you read out all the effects and you say that, and eliminate the rest of the effects and ingredients. So this kind of command will make sure that all the unnecessary effects or the side effects will be eliminated, or the ingredients will be eliminated and their effects will be eliminated, and the only the desired effects from a particular stack of the supplement that you actually want, let's say for your study, for your work, or for your workout, or for any other reason, will be activated with this command, and all the bad effects would be eliminated, and also the undesirable effects that you don't want, or maybe the good effects that you don't want, also would be eliminated. But that also means that some of the good effects also won't be there, so you have to be careful with this command. Now, this is the last part where I talk about how to research the supplement. Now, when you actually do any kind of research, you first check the number of reviews for that particular supplement. Then you check the detailed reviews, like the description of the reviews. Like there are supplements which has like 10,000 reviews, but most of the reviews are like 2 or 3 line reviews. So usually try to see for the reviews which are at least 100 to 200 uh, 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 words at least, uh, or maybe can range from anywhere from 500 to 1000 words. That would be called a detailed review, and it should also mention that what is missing in that supplement. You also read the 1 and 2 star reviewers and what they're saying about the side effects, why they chose to give the 1 star. Is it because of the delivery problem, or is it because of the quality of the supplement, or is it because of side effects, or is it because they're not getting the desired effects from that supplement? You have to read those reviews, and then you need to activate a particular supplement. uh, and you also need to do a detailed review of overall rating. It should be anywhere from 4.3 to 4.8 or something. That is a good rating usually. I won't say that I don't use any supplement with 4-star reviews, but again, you just need to check the rating. uh, uh, so you need to check this 5 aspect: number of reviews, detailed reviews or description of the reviews, the overall rating, the side effects happened with people after using that supplement, and what 1 or 2 star reviewers are saying. Now let's see that what other people are saying for this. Let's say I'm talking about this supplement. You use the gyro formula. Okay. This has overall rating 4.5, which is a good thing. It also has more than 3,000 reviews, which is also a good thing. Let's check the description of the reviews. If it has before after photos, that is a great sign. Now see the description. Now this first review is very big, detailed review. The third review is also big. Fourth review is also big. The subsequent reviews are also good in length, which is something satisfactory. The subsequent reviews on the next pages are also good and detailed reviews. You have to actually read the reviews. I'm not reading the reviews right now because I already read that, but you have to read the reviews and see the what people are saying. So this seems like a this particular supplement has good detailed reviews. Now you have to check the side effects also, especially people can say about side effects in 4 or 5 star reviews also, but they will talk about it more in the first star 1 star reviews. So you have to read those reviews and see that the problem is with the delivery, or is with the quality of the supplement, or the effects of the supplement, or the purity of the supplement. And you have to check all the aspects. You have to read all these reviews and see that if this is the supplement or the brand you really want to activate, you need to read those reviews in detail. And then you also read the 2 star reviews and see the concern of people. Now you don't have to actually buy the supplement, so you don't have to be concerned about the cost and all, but you definitely have to be concerned about the side effects of the supplement and the quality of the supplement, because you are activating it, so you're going to have to face the side effects. So you check the side effects and all, and then you activate the supplement. So this is how you should be using the Amazon Marketplace emulator. And there are more aspects you would discover when you start using it even more. So this is a these are the basic guidelines you should be using when you are actually activating the supplements through Amazon Marketplace emulator.